Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your eyebrow color in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, if you want to customize your appearance in Heartopia, you need to find a mirror, and you can find the mirror at the Droi Salon on the second floor. You can go to the central square and go to the Droi store and go to the second floor, and then you will find this mirror and go to the mirror, click on the mirror and then select the eyebrow, and you can choose the type of the eyebrow, and if you want to change the color you can click on this menu. Okay, and then you just need to select the color that you want, and don't forget to click on purchase like this and click on purchase. Yeah, just like that. Or actually, if you have your own mirror, you can use your own mirror guys. If I'm not mistaken, we need to make the mirror and we can place it in our house. Okay guys, and that's how we can change the eyebrow color in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.